sweet learners. Now we're going to meet some colorful animals and learn a special way to talk about them. When we see more than one animal, we can say, these are orange animals, an orange tiger and an orange fox. Look at these pink animals. These are pink antelopes. Now, let's meet some blue animals. These are blue bears. Now, let's meet some purple animals. These are 2 purple cats. Look at these green animals. These are green color dogs. Now, let's meet some purple animals. These are purple color elephants. Now, let's meet some orange animals. These are 2 orange color fox. Look at these pink animals. These are pink color goats. Now, let's meet some different color of animals. These are different color of horses. Look at these blue animals. These are blue color iguanas. Look at these golden animals. These are golden color jackals. Look at these green animals. These are green color kangaroos. Now, let's meet some different color of animals. These are different color of lions. Now, let's meet some pink animals. These are pink color monkeys. Now, let's meet some purple animals. These are purple color numbats. Look at these brown animals. These are brown color okapis. Now, let's meet some red and white animals. These are red and white color pandas. Look at these light gray animals. These are light gray color quokkas. Look at these blue animals. These are 4 blue color rabbits. Now, let's meet some purple animals. These are purple color sheeps. Now, let's meet some pink animals. These are pink color tigers. Now, let's meet some green animals. These are green color uromastyx. Look at these red animals. These are red color vicunas. Look at these yellow animals. These are yellow color weasels. Now, let's meet some pink animals. These are pink color xeris. Look at these blue animals. These are blue color yaks. Now, let's meet some different colors of animals. These are different colors of zebras. See how easy it is to say. These are when we have a group of colorful animals. Now, you know how to use these for more than one.